stop scrolling, because we've spent months and in some cases years testing these products so you don't have to.
Today we're covering the viral side of Amazon. Everything from DIY tools that saved our weekends to outdoor home finds your friends will definitely ask you about. And don't forget the pet gadgets that our cats are actually obsessed with.
So let's get right into the haul.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're the Yohos.
We have rounded up a curated list of Amazon finds that actually bridge the gap between aesthetics and function. Everything will be found in the description box below, of course. And with that, let's get on with the video because we've got a lot of fun things. There is nothing more satisfying than seeing years of grime vanish in seconds.
It's the fastest way to make your driveway or your patio, your deck, even your siding look new without spending thousands on renovations. It's not just about looks, it removes mold and algae, and it actually protects your surfaces from rot and decay, and it saves you a fortune really in long-term repairs. And surprisingly enough, a power washer actually uses less water than just a regular garden hose because the high pressure does the work for you.
Meaning you spend less time and less water on your chores.
Let's talk about solar lights. These are the ultimate set it and forget it upgrade. Charge all day and automatically turn on at dusk, giving your yard a high-end, professionally designed look with zero wiring required. Adding light to your fence line and garden paths isn't just aesthetic. It's a security feature. Eliminates dark corners and makes your property look occupied and well lit. You can stick them in the ground or screw them to the fence, making them perfect for renters and homeowners alike.
We've also bought outdoor lights that actually don't care if it's sunny or need to be charged because they are hardwired right into our electricity. Hardwired lighting is seen as permanent home improvement. It adds a level of sophistication to your home's architecture that really stands out in real estate photos and or just as general curb appeal. There's nothing worse than snagging a wire from your earbud on something. I do it all the time until I got these little babies. They are simple to hook up. They're obviously Bluetooth and they hook right into my phone. I'm able to stop and start them with a simple touch. It's a game changer, especially when you just want to get in the zone, listen to an audiobook or your music and just continue on hands-free, not worrying about the cords. I find them really lightweight and I like that they go around my ear. It's quite comfortable to wear and keeps them in place all the time because I have weird little ear holes and they always fall out. If you needed to know that information. Okay, the next little DIY tool that I have found for myself, I love these angled brushes for walls and furniture painting, any painting other than on paper. I love that they're angled, they wash up really nicely, let them dry, and they just keep their shape and you can move on. Still talking about paintbrushes because I could talk about these all day long.
Fine tip paintbrushes. I got a set for Christmas to replace the ones that I got from the dollar store, and the quality is way above the dollar store brand. They are water washable again. You just use a little bit of soap and warm water, let them dry, and they're ready to reuse. And a big bonus is they're not very pricey.
Well, let's move on to my next little DIY tool that I cannot live without.
It is a self-healing cutting mat. Now this one is double-sided. As you can see here, Mark is using a heavy-duty utility knife and it does not cut through all of the surfaces that you're working on. It's easy cleanup. Glue just sticks to it and you can pick it right off. You could wash it with water if you wanted to or needed to, and this is definitely a handy thing to have to protect any surfaces that you are working on.
The last thing that I have on my crafting list of DIY supplies is wax, the soy wax that I use for all of my candle projects. They burn for a long time. They are clean burn because of the soy wax. You can add scent to them or not, and they're very easy to pour. And if you are planning on making some candles, you're going to need the wicks. So they come very conveniently with a little metal stopper at the bottom. So when the candle burns down to a certain level, they extinguish. So that's a huge bonus. And you just stick it right to the bottom of the jar or the vessel that you're using. How great is that?
I have bought so many crafts off of Amazon, all of them that I loved. I will link them, like I say, in the storefront in our description box. You want to go check them out because there's loads to beat these winter blues. But there is one particular craft that I did not enjoy whatsoever.
We were laughing and cursing the entire time because you use like a little punch. Is it the most relaxing craft? Nope, absolutely not. It was not relaxing at all. It didn't give me enough white. So I had to make this a lot bigger, so I had to pull all the white out because it went like all the way down here. Kind of reminded me of like an intravenous really thick needle, and I was kind of grossed out by it, but it turned out okay. Let's continue on, you guys. Now that I'm done with my little arsenal of DIY tools, I'm gonna pass it on to Mark because I know that he has a lot of favorites of his own that he needs to tell you about.
Absolutely. First and foremost, you need something to hold corners together. Now, you may not personally need something to hold corners together, but I do all the time. And I have my corner mates, or as I affectionately call them, corner mate. These things are great. They hold a modular type of build together, which most of my builds are as a modular type of box.
And they hold a perfect corner.
Well, there's actually different things inside to hold on varying different types of corners. So there's different angles of corners this thing will hold for you.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Right? It's pretty cool. Next on the list, my pocket hole jig. This is a Kreg product, K-R-E-G. Very easy to set up, very easy to use. But this pocket hole jig is a must if you are putting pieces of wood together. A great way to join wood. And it's really key for any kind of things that connect on a 90-degree angle. And I've used it a ton of times in my builds.
You actually have. And I think the nice thing about a pocket hole is you don't see the join. It's like magic.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. My go-to gear for every single job that I'm doing, absolutely my noise canceling Bluetooth headset. 100% without a doubt. Power tool usage, these things have to be on. Not a lot of noise around. They just single out the world for you, making it so that you are the only thing happening. Nothing else in the world can get at you. You can't hear anything until wife or partner comes up to you and scares the living bejesus out of you.
I do it all the time. But it is nice ear protection for when you're using all of the saws and such.
Absolutely.
Because those are pretty dang loud.
And I use them for cutting the grass, working on the car, shoveling the snow.
And you've had them for how long? Years.
Forever now, it feels like.
Years, yeah. And the same pair.
My last go-to item, something that definitely sees a lot of use, is my tool belt. It is something that has suspender straps incorporated into it because if you're like me, I carry pretty much the kitchen sink on my waist.
He does.
So I want to have everything close to hand. I've got 2 drills on me all the time. I've got a hammer, screwdrivers, cutting blades, everything. So even my cell phone. So you want to have enough pockets to get the job done. You won't want to keep running around looking for things because that's the last thing I want to do. So I got a tool belt, or at least Lisa got me a tool belt that has room for everything.
Even the cats if you wanted to. One last thing before we get to the next category are all of the hardware that we use for things.
Yes. Hinges, drawer pulls.
Drawer slides.
Oh my gosh, drawer slides, yes.
Now let's move on to our next category, which is, what is that? An antenna? A unicorn horn? Cats.
Cat ears.
It is our pet section. I feel like this is our favorite section just because we love our babies. So whether you own cats or dogs or rabbits or anything with fur, let me just tell you, well, I don't want to tell you, I want to show you.
This is the pet hair remover. It works so well. That's totally disgusting, but I left it for a long time to show you guys. See how it's easy to empty? Like so, it's empty, and then you just close it back up. Oh, look at that. The nice thing about this thing is that it works on all kinds of surfaces. It works on like rounded surfaces or flat surfaces, carpeted, or like a really heavy pile carpet, also like canvas, like the cushion that I just showed you. This thing, honestly, it's worth its weight in gold.
Another pet-friendly item that you really can't live without, and this could go for not just cats, but for small dogs.
For sure, absolutely.
Right? Cat or pet window beds. You can get the ones that stick or adhere right to the window, or suction cups.
Sticks right to it, and let me tell you, our beefy boys, we haven't weighed them in a long time, but we're thinking they're at least 15 pounds each, at least.
And they rustle and tussle in these beds, and somehow they don't fall off the windows.
And they love it. It is literally like cat TV. They sit and watch outside, they watch the snow, they watch the birds. Anything going on outside, they are in it to win it, and it keeps them occupied for hours.
Oh yeah.
One last thing before we move on to our next category of finds. They are crazy cat lady PJs, as I call them, and they are the most comfortable things. They are a capri, they are cotton, and they wash up great and very comfortable. I highly recommend. Okay, let's move on.
The next category we're going to talk about is our everyday finds, the essentials that we use daily, every single day. And obviously, the very first thing on our list,
The espresso machine.
our coffee machine.
If you are a coffee connoisseur,
Such a treat,
then do yourself a favor and make sure it's the best cup of coffee you could possibly have.
honestly, and that's a cup of coffee, and we blame our friends for introducing us to their machine. The one thing that we're slowly doing throughout the house is replacing a lot of the lighting. We have replaced the one in my art room over there. We've also replaced all the lights in our bedrooms. We love a good overhead fan. The nice thing about the fans that we've put in, they have remotes. So you can get all cozy in bed and just turn off the light but still keep the fan on. And to me, that is a game changer, as well as that they dim.
And Lisa's favorite mode of transportation to wrap things up.
Mark! My vacuum. Honestly, you guys, it is lightweight, it's rechargeable, and with these, cats running around constantly raising a ruckus all day long, the amount of dander and dust and fur that flies around in this house is insane. That, let me tell you, this vacuum, it's a game changer.
This little powerhouse has a light on it, so I find it weirdly satisfying to be able to see all the dust get sucked up when you like go inside a bathroom or down a hallway. It's a multi-surface vacuum. It can go from a hardwood to carpet to tile, no problem, as well as it's super easy to clean. It comes with this little tool that you need to scrape out and cut the hair, that gets wrapped around the beater bar, and as well as it has a little filter that you can wash with a little bit of warm water and soap and let it dry and change up your filter so it doesn't get stanky. I actually love this thing. It's the little things, isn't it? Honestly, but no, truly, I love it. And did I mention it's cordless and rechargeable? Well, it is. Just letting you know.
Folks, that is a wrap on all of our favorite Amazon hauls.
What's your actual favorite that we've mentioned in this video?
My tool.
I should have known. My favorite is the pet hair thingy roller. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We have lots of fun videos coming up for you in the future.
And let us know in the comments which of these items you need immediately, or which ones you agree with are your absolute favorites and you can't live without.
Yeah, I'd love to read those comments. So bring them on. You guys, we shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
And have a great one.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Fans.